Get ready with a gay Igbo man who is glowy, juicy, sexy, moisturized, hydrated, divinely protected by my ancestors, doing what needs to be done, being the vibes, living my life unapologetically. Yes, let's get into the outfits quickly. This headscarf from Anthropology, love it. We zoo. This t-shirt is from Cause. My denim pants is from Max Mara. These trainers from Hogan. We love it, right? Do we not love it? We really zoo. We zoo. This pearl, these two bracelets, my ear cuffs, my wristwatch from Tissot, my sunglasses from Loewe. We will get back to it later. Creed Aventus, Bibliotech by Byredo. My tote bag from Rains, the sunglasses from Loewe, thank you so much for getting ready with me. If you have watched up until here, let us know what you think in the comment section. Listen to Igbo Queer and Unfiltered. You can listen to the podcast on every podcast platform that you listen to your podcast on. Subscribe to the African Gay Igbo Vlog channel. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.